So it looks like we got another software update, 2022.12.3.1. Let's go ahead and install this. It's going to take about 25 minutes. Oh, I have to turn off the, watch, it's going to tell me to turn off the thing. Actually, whoa, it doesn't tell you to turn it off this time. Normally you have to turn off the camera stuff, but the sentry mode, but this time it didn't ask for that. So we'll see what happens. We'll give this the 2 minutes and then we'll be back. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, just a few seconds to go. Is it going to complain? Software update scheduled. Okay, it says it's installing. Interesting. So you no longer, excuse me, my throat is all screwed up. But you no longer have to wait for, or you no longer have to turn off sentry mode. It automatically will do it for you. So here you can go. Here you can see 10%. And we'll be back when the update is almost complete. All right. See you guys then. Randomly changed to 30% now. We'll see how it goes because most of the time it gets to 60% and it stays there until it's done. But you can see it's 7:14, so you can kind of see how long this update is taking. Right? We'll be back when the percent changes again. You can see it's at 60% now, so we're going to let it keep going. 7:19, I think earlier it was 7:12. So about 7 minutes, excuse me, to go from 30 to 60%. And most likely it's going to go from 60% to completed because that's usually what I see. All right. Anyways, we'll see you guys when it's done or if it changes. See, oh, what happened? Okay, so 25, so 19, so about 6 minutes later, it's showing 80%. We'll see how long till it's finished, and we'll be back. It's finished. As you can see, it is now 7:29. The update is done, so let's go to the car and see what we got. Alright, so you can see we're in the car now. It looks like this update is going to be exactly the same as the other one. Additional bottom bar customization. Child lock, same thing. So I don't know what all these updates they're releasing. These are all the same thing. Same language added. So maybe they're finding bugs in this update and then they keep updating it. I'm a little curious. If we go to charging, is it still, oops, that's not what I wanted. I'm kind of curious if this thing is still okay. And yeah, it's still good. Before it was like tucking underneath here for the last like 3 updates ago. But it looks good now. So excuse me. So it doesn't look like they really changed anything with these new updates. Or if they did, it's something very small. But yeah, so here you can see we got software version 11.0, 2022.11 or .12.3.1. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.